Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video of the AutoCAD full course 2019. And in this video we're gonna learn how to use the ERC command right here, and there are several ways to access this command. The first one is just simply by clicking on the ERC icon on the home palette on the ribbon, or just by going to view, then tool palettes, then it is right here, or just by going to this screen and type in ERC, then pressing enter, and it is right here. You can just do whatever you want with it. Now we're gonna go over and press on the ERC command. Now there is 11 ways to draw an ERC, and it depends on what you know about the ERC. If you know 3 points on the ERC, you can simply use this command. If you know the start, the center, and the end, you can use this command. It just simply depends on your drawing and what you are trying to draw, and just matching with your drawing. That's it. So we're gonna start with the 3 points. Just simply asking you for specifying 3 points on the ERC: the first, the second, and the third. Then another one, start, center, end. This is the start, this is the center, and this is the end. Another one, start, center, angle, the start, the center, and the angle. The start, center, length, the start, the center, and the length of the ERC. Start and angle. Start, this is the end, and the angle of the ERC. Start and angle. I think we've done this. Start and direction. Start and the direction of the ERC. Start and radius. Start, the end, and the radius of the ERC. The center, start, and center, the start, and the end of that ERC, just like this. Center, start, angle, center, start, and the angle. Start, center, start, length, center, start, and the length of the ERC, like that. Now the continue, if you press on continue, you will continue drawing the ERC from the point you end. So I will press, just gonna make me able to continue drawing the ERC, just like this. If I press again, I'm gonna continue drawing another ERC, and like that. Now just a note about the ERCs. If you use the ERC command from here, or you type the ERC on the screen, you may get confused by the type of the ERC, because there is one type when you type here, but when you draw, you will specify the start point. Then by clicking on the right button on the mouse, you can just change it to the center or the end of that ERC. If I specify the center, I'll go to the center, then another click, I can choose angle or chord length, which is the same. Then I can draw it just like that. Now I also can modify on it just by clicking on it, just like that, and just modify on the vertex. I can move it, I can do whatever I want with it, I can stretch it, I can change everything in it. So yeah, just like that. That was pretty much what we have for today. Stay tuned for another video, and I hope you subscribe for the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned.